Hey guys, Sheila here from Mediavandals. In last week's video, we showed you my disaster of an office and talked to you a little bit about all of the changes I had planned on making. So in this video, we're going to be showing you the final transformation of how it turned out. So stick around because when we come back, we'll be showing you the big reveals. In last week's video, we went over my disaster of an office and all of the changes that we were going to make to the office in order to have more storage and get the office ready for all of these YouTube videos. Wanted to clean up the background a little bit and make things look a little nicer for you, the viewer. So it's been a week. All of the pieces have come in and we've gotten the office all set up. So let's head up there and have a look.
But wait! Why not show them last week's video?
What do you mean? I already showed them last week's video.
You knew you gotta show them last week's video.
But that's what, last week we did a video and now we're doing another video.
Rookie.
Storage in it at all. This is the home office. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour. We're going to talk about some of the stuff that I've picked up. So let's start over here. I have picked up this MacBook stand. This guy's been here for a while. That's my bookshelf. There's a bunch of junk on the floor here because I need to clean my office and I have no storage. Okay, so we just showed you a few clips of last week's video where I was showing you around my office. Let's dive into this week. We'll show you some clips of some of the behind the scenes while we're getting the office together, and then we'll jump into the final reveal. Just add into the garbage, eh? Reveal.
He's got some weight.
Yeah, like Bailey. Reveal. Reveal. Okay, so let's dive in and take a quick look around. Here we are coming into the office. So we put together the credenza, we put it in the space under the whiteboard where it was intended to go, and I'll be honest, it looked horrible. So let's cut to that right now so you can see what it looks like. As you can see, it was not what we expected. It was less than 2 feet high. I would have had to sit on the floor to shoot any videos in front of it. So we quickly disassembled it and took it back. And in its place, we got this. This is the final storage piece. It is similar to an IKEA piece, but we did pick this up at Canadian Tire. We got a few of these fun lights. Then the next thing we did was we wrapped that wall over there. Thank you to Beyond Signs for giving us that wrap. So let's take a look at how that faux brick wall turned out. Here is the faux brick wall. And then we covered up this whiteboard with a picture. Now this picture can easily be taken off and put back on the whiteboard. So when I'm shooting videos, you're not distracted by an ugly whiteboard behind me. And then we also picked up this nice little pub table.
There's a box?
Yeah, it looks like it's got a picture of a table on it.
Oh, maybe it's my table.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ta-da! So this will make a great little video background, a spot where we can sit and shoot videos. Oh.
Hi.
Hi there. That looks pretty good. I guess you're in this video now.
I guess so. I was in it before.
And then we also added, there is the camera. Now I do need to get a better stand for that camera. Right now it's just on a tripod, but it acts as a webcam to the computer setup. You see we picked up some speakers. We've got that stand for the laptop to sit in. We've got the coffee warmer, the keyboard, nice little 24-inch monitor And there is the microphone. So we've got a great little setup. Again, there's the finished product. We've got some hooks back here with all of the cables for our YouTube stuff, nice and hidden behind this door. We've got the pub table, we've got the lights. So let's just take a look at the angles that we now have now that the office is all set up. So here is video angle 1, where I'll be at that table behind me. Camera will be somewhere around here. Video angle 2 will be coming from the desk, and the angle will be somewhere around here. And then we also have video angle 3, which is right about here, where you're seeing the whiteboard and that nice shelving unit. So that's the transformation. I think we did a pretty good job. We've got a spot for storage. We've got some nice lights. We've got that beautiful faux brick background. Now we have the pub table and chairs and the London Bridge picture, which we also have a Stonehenge that we can put up there. We're just using a tripod for the camera right now. Elgato, if you're watching this video and you want to send me a clamp. We also want to get a standing desk in here so I can sit and stand and not just be sitting all the time. A few little pieces left to add, but all in all, it turned out pretty darn good. There you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video.